Yeah, so I'm really excited to dive into everything. As you can see here on the left, we have a bunch of stuff to dive into. Some Hatch projects, some Python, some sprite editor and websites too, so it's going to be really exciting. And I'm double checking that all the audio is working. I'm pretty sure it is, so I think we're good there. And yeah, so should we just dive into the first one?
Yeah,
All right. So here we go. And a reminder, this week's theme or this Game Jam's theme is Mind Master, and then we'll announce the next one at the end of today's stream. So let's get started. So looks like
you're sharing your screen with me.
yeah. Let me share my screen with you. All right, there we go. So it looks like I got one is a hammer. And oh, there's things flying at me.
Oh.
Maybe I should. Okay, so I used the gun, which is number 3, to shoot the things flying at me. And I forgot to announce whose this is, but I'll say that at the end. All right. So, oh no, I'm
This is
losing
cool.
lives. Yeah, it is. Okay, and then apparently I can paint the background. I don't know if that helps. Oh, it does.
Oh,
Okay.
it's a wall.
So it's a
What?
wall, and then they can kind of. Oh no, I think I
Oh, they
died. Yeah.
destroyed it.
Is there any movement controls? I'm not sure.
It looks like you moved up just now.
Yeah, but I think that might be from starting the game. All right, there we go. I don't think it had started. All right. So what happens if I painted green? Hmm. Okay, so I can move with
Okay,
arrow
we got
keys.
movement.
Just want to let you know. All right. And then, yeah, I wonder what the different colors do. I'll just throw a bunch out there to see what happens. Okay, so same thing, they
Okay, so
get.
this seems to be like walls.
Yeah,
This is really clever.
yeah, it is.
Oh, okay, so you
Oh,
could stand on top of the blue ones.
yeah, can I stand on top of the. I can on the green ones too. No, I gotta get them. All right. That guy's stuck in there. And then eventually they break
The
through.
shots don't go through it.
No, but they eventually break through. And then, okay.
Maybe the hammer would like have you break them. That's my guess.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, so yeah, if I click on the X, then I can break them. All right, so this is really cool. I like the different mechanics. I don't know if I've seen stuff like this before.
Yeah,
Um,
no, this is really unique. Wow.
yeah. I wonder, is there like a winning number that I have to get to? I'm not sure. Maybe it's just like a high score thing. It might be like how many can you get? Right, I should also check the descriptions before we dive into them to know. But yeah, I really like this. I think let's see if I can go to like. I wonder. Oh no, let me get him. All right. I just want to check. Yep, there's no other level that I can go to. I think so. Yeah, I think that's pretty much this game. I really like it. I think it's cool how you can build the walls to kind of defend yourself, and then you can attack the birds and get the see how many kills you can get, kind of high score there. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so there wasn't a description, so I think we're good. All right. And it
Yeah,
was called
this really had a lot of cool mechanics in it.
yeah, and it was called
I'm really impressed.
Build to Survive Evil Birds, which might have helped me in the beginning just by reading the title, but yeah, there you go, and it's by GG Gamer. All right.
Very cool image for it.
Yeah, yeah. All right, so this is the second game. It's called Single Guess Custom Wordle by BM8647. I think they also go by The Human. It depends whether you're looking at their name on the stream or in Hatch. But all right. So insert 5-letter word. TSARP. Let's see if it works. Um. All right, there we go. So AA. Oh, I think okay. So that was from my typing. So I typed. Oh, so I guess I'm trying to guess the word I type. I think. I don't know. Like, is it like someone else is supposed to type it? Let me type a simpler word.
Yeah, type in one and then type in another word and see what.
Yeah. All right. Oh no, I had a typo. Okay. Let's restart. So okay. There's like I'm clicking enter. Doesn't seem. Can I type in another one? No, I can't continue typing.
Hmm. Nothing happens if you click on the letters.
Yeah, let's see. Nothing if I click on
We could go inside and see.
Yeah, maybe can I'll try to. Can I? There we go. All right, I removed the screen so no one can steal their code, but so we can only see inside. Um, might be a little hard to decipher. There's a lot of stuff here.
Yeah.
Yeah. One thing I want to test, and I think I did this earlier, but what if I type the same word? Oh, I can. Oh, that's because I'm inside the
Oh.
prompt. I think that's just because I'm inside it, but
Oh
yeah. All right. So yeah, I'm not sure if this continues or if
It's actually a good start. I mean, that's for
yeah.
sure.
I like it. I know from like what I've never been too much like too good in Hatch, but I'm better in Python and web dev and that stuff. But I know from my friends to create a something like this where when you type the actual like letters like appear instead of just like a normal text box. Like I think they call it oh, I don't know what I did there, but like yeah, the like a text engine where the actual letters appear as sprites can be a little difficult
Mhm.
because you have to make all the sprites and then match it to what the actual keyboard inputs are.
Yeah,
So yeah, I think it's definitely a cool start. All
yeah.
right.
Keep us updated with this one.
Yeah.
This is cool.
And I think the next one's in Python, so I'm excited to see this. All right, so it looks like it's a
This is
memory
the memory
game.
bin.
So
And this is by Baby Yoda.
yeah, by Baby Yoda.
You can make it full screen.
Yeah, let me make it full screen. So there's a 1 on screen. I typed the 1 key. Oh, yeah, it is running. Okay. What flashed? Okay, it disappeared. 5. Okay. So I gotta remember it. 7. 4. So I think it's where. Is it where I'm clicking? Okay, so that's another 7. So, oh, should I match it? Okay. I think that's.
Oh,
I
yeah.
think that's what I'm supposed to do.
I think it is a matching game.
Yeah. So that's
So, because we saw the 2 4s as well.
That's 5. We saw a 5, right? Yeah, there we go. That's the second 5. 2.
I don't think we saw the other 2 yet, did we?
2 zeros. All right. 3. 3 was over there. 6. Didn't see a 6. There's 6. That's 1. 2. Did we see a
2's in the bottom left.
bottom left? Oh, yeah. There we go. And there's 4. All right. So I think we completed it. I like it. Let me play it again. Oh, yeah. So there we go. You win. Sweet. Let me try again.
Cool.
So yeah, so you can start in, yeah, that's what I did. So you can start anywhere, and then you just click around to see the other numbers, and then you got to remember. And when you match 2, then they stay up, and then once it all turns green, you win. I like it. That's pretty cool.
Really great job on this. That's really cool.
And then you
And
just
another cool with Pie Game is that you could actually make like art with it.
yeah, that is cool. I did all my game making and processing on Python Mini, but it's awesome to see everyone kind of exploring the new libraries and the new editor. I mean, the editor's been out for like a year now, maybe yeah, like a year. But awesome to see all the stuff people are creating with it. That's really awesome. All right, so I think the next one is Smurf Defense Beta and new maps. So I'm excited to dive into that. And let's see, there is
no.
yeah, there is a big description. I think a lot of this is like a change log. The controls WASD to move, Q to reload, E to fire. I'm gonna forget this, but I gotta read it anyway. To use the fireball, click the fireball and click again where you want it to go. Okay. And then hotkeys, fireball is M, wall is N, minigun is B, and knife is L. Okay. And then click backdrop to change map. All right. Maybe I should probably open it in another tab to keep the instructions on the side in case I forget. All right. So there we go. And then I just wanted to duplicate it. All right. So I think we're good. Now I got the instructions on my right, so I can read them if I forget. And yeah, the top just says, "Welcome to Smurf Defense, where you use an airsoft gun, not a real one, and various streaks to defeat the Smurfs. It even gets updates when I feel like it." All right, so let's dive into it. So it's WASD to move, and then let me see. E was to fire. Okay, there we go. I like the sound, and oh wait, Q was to reload. Okay, so there we go. I think I gotta reload. There we go. All right, I really like the animation.
Yeah.
Gotta reload. There we go.
This really reminds me of something I would have played on like addicting games when I was a kid.
Yeah, I like that. I like they added in the sound and that you have to reload, and that they added a reload animation. That's really cool. There we go. Oh no, it's getting more difficult. Oh no, I think what happened? Oh, I think I died. I think that was the death animation. All right, so most seconds survive. The high score is 366. I got to 105. Let me give it another attempt to see if I can, how I can get there.
Don't forget your updates.
Yeah. So let's see. So if I get to 5 kills, can I get? There we go. I get. Oh, I don't know if I'm supposed to use it. Okay. Oh, fireball is M. Oh, okay. So. Oh no. Oh no, I ran out. Oh no. No, I think I did. Oh no, they pushed me to the back. I think it's kind of over. Yeah, alright. Let me restart it. This time I want to try the upgrades and stuff, because I didn't get to do that last time. So once I get to 5 kills, I think I get the fireball. Yeah, now M. Oh, there we go. Alright,
so it's like it's an AoE.
Yeah, so it takes out a bunch of people all at once. Pretty cool. Let me try it again. Alright. So I think it's, yeah, so they also said in the instructions, you have to do M and then click, and then there it goes. Pretty cool. And also that changes the background, because I forgot you can change all the backgrounds there. Right. Oh no, they're coming faster now. I need M. There we go. Oh no, I need to reload.
Armor.
Oh no, M. M. There we go. Actually, okay, so I wasn't sure if there was a cooldown, but I don't think there is. So I think I can just keep using M over and over again for fireball. All right, so now let me try that. So yeah, there we go. And then once I get up to 15, I think that's the wall.
Does it permanently unlock it? Or does it use the kills?
You're right, it uses them. Okay, gotcha. I was thinking it was permanently unlocking, but no, it just uses them. So now, if I use M, oh, that actually got me up to 10. But then, okay, so when you click M,
because it goes back up.
Yeah, gotcha. So, like, if there's a big mob of people and you use M, then you'll have enough to do it again because of the people you use. So yeah, so pretty cool. Let me get up to 15 just to try the next upgrade if I can get there. Oh no.
Oh, you gotta drop it.
Oh, I think I died again. Alright, so yeah, let me just try one more time to get to 15. Not sure if I'm skilled enough to get to 25, but I will try. And then, yeah, it's pretty cool so far. I really like it. Like I said earlier about the animations and the upgrades too is all really cool. You just gotta remember. We should also send the links to the games in the chat, so other people can check them out and play. But I think what you have to remember, and it's cool that you have to remember to reload and stuff, and it has the number of shots you have left on the side of the gun. It's a little hard to see, but see, it says 3 and 2 then 1. Yeah.
Oh, I think you have it now. You could probably press N.
Yeah. All right. So, well, this is D. If I click D, I think. Oh no, no, no! I think I'm gonna die before it works. I think
it might have been N.
Yeah, well,
like.
it was M to do the fireball, but I was trying D.
No,
That...
N.
Oh, N, right. Yeah, that's the wall. And, all right, so that's the wall. So then, if they come, I think I might have died, though. But that gets you to see what the wall is, so that's pretty cool. I like that animation, too. Then
That's a really good drawing, too.
Yeah. And I would assume if I wasn't dead, that the people would be coming and they would be blocked off. I wonder if you could shoot them at the same time. I was trying to use D for this thing because I had enough. But yeah, so pretty cool. If you guys have the time, you can definitely check out all the upgrades. I'm going to send it in the chat now for all you guys to play. There you go. I'll also send, I think that's our next game. I'll also send the other games in the chat. And because I had forgotten to do that. And then you guys can check out which ones are which. Alright, so I think that's all the ones we've done so far. And the next one is also called Mind Master. This one's by Winter Coder. Let's run it and check it out. Alright, so Mind Master Suite. So Memory Master...
the window bigger in it too with the maximize.
So there we go. All right, awesome.
Very cool.
So Mind Master Suite. We got Memory Master, Logic Master, and Pattern Master. All right, so let's start with Memory Master. So level 1, watch the sequence. Okay, and then I repeat the sequence, right? All right, correct. Yep. Oh, okay, so when you hover over them, that's when it turns white. All right. So I got yellow, and oh no, I don't think I saw the other one.
I don't think I saw another.
Yeah, that's okay. I got it wrong. Let's go back, try it again.
Give that another try.
Alright, so green. I saw green that time. Correct. Okay, I saw red and green, but I'm not sure which came first. All right, it looked like
we moved at almost at the same time.
Yeah, that's what I was seeing.
So, okay, I have an idea. So, okay, that one was yellow. And then I think yellow, red.
Yellow, red. Yeah, there we go. All right. Looked like yellow, red again. Oh no. I clicked yellow, red. Maybe. No. All right, I got that one wrong. All right, let's try it again. See. Okay, that was green. And then yellow. I guess it's.
I think it's green, yellow. I think it preserves. It's like the Simon says. Like I think it keeps the.
Yeah.
Like the previous and just adds one.
Yeah. Okay. So then, because that one actually started with, green that time. So this one starts with red. Okay. So now red, blue. Yeah. I think red, blue. There we go. It looks like red, blue again.
Red, blue, red. It's definitely red, blue. Was the first two, but it's kind of tough to see the
No. Yeah, it's a little tough to see them actually click in, but yeah. So
But it's cool.
Yeah, I think that's what you're supposed to do. I think it's one like you do. The first one goes, you click it, then the next time 2 will go down, but you do the first one you saw and then the second one, and then it keeps going. But yeah, I think that's really cool. There's 2 more game modes that we gotta test out. So we got Logic Master, Break the Code. Let's see. So, not sure. Are we just supposed to? Okay, invalid guess. Enter 4 digits. All right.
5,000.
5,000. Okay. Submit guess. Okay, 1 correct position, 0 correct number. So, so I'm guessing 1 correct position.
But is this like a Wordle?
Yeah, I'm guessing it's a word, but it said 0 correct numbers. So,
Yeah, so let's say the correct position would be then.
let's try. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1 correct number, 0 correct position. So what if
Yeah.
so if I do 3, 4, 6? Okay, so I guess the 3 was correct.
Yeah.
And then
So 4, I don't think is one because we had it in the previous.
oh, you're right. So it can't be 4. So if we remove 4, let's try 8.
Yeah,
See if 5 was the one. So actually, so 0 correct numbers. Then that would have to mean that 6 and 4 were correct because those were the ones we removed.
Oh, yeah.
1 correct number. All right. Is it 7? No, 0 correct. So I think 6 is correct from what I've figured out. So let me try all 6s.
Before.
No, 6 not. 6
Oh, I wonder if the maybe the number that we're supposed to guess might be changing. I wonder.
Oh, it could, but then
It could be being like reset.
actually, I just looked in chat. It says correct numbers because the creator's in chat. So correct numbers 3 and 6. So I guess we were right, but it says 0 correct numbers when you type that in. So I'm not sure. What if so they said not in that place. So what if we try to move them around? Or it doesn't look like we're getting any luck here.
This though.
Yeah, I do too. All right. So yeah, it might be. I'm guessing. I think it is the same one that you're trying to guess. I'm not sure. Unfill screen for answer. Oh. Screen for. Oh. Okay. So the secret code is down here in the terminal. In the. So let's try this again. I wonder when that popped up. Oh, so I guess at one point it switched. So
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh, well now it says secret code 6121. So I guess
like testing purposes, right? Yeah.
So I guess though at one point it did switch. I don't know when. Oh, I had gone back to the main menu, so maybe that was it. All right, so yeah, so it looks like if you guys want to test it out, don't look at the terminal when you try, but if you can't guess it, then you can look and then see what the real number was. But yeah, so also I don't think I sent this one in chat yet, but there we go. All right, so still one more game mode. Let me full screen again. There we go. And this is Pattern Master. So complete the pattern 1617. I would guess 118. I think it's actually just.
That's not this guess. Oh yeah.
Right, so there we go. So I got that one correct. It's just the next digit. So 6837 9837. All right. 7, 6, maybe? Because it's 2 numbers in order, 3, and then could it be... Oh, yeah. So I guess that one was correct, too. Okay. And then 5, 4, 1, 7. I would try the same thing, I guess, last time again. No, that one was incorrect. All right. 5, 4, 1, 7.
I'm not seeing a pattern.
All right, so it was 5. Not sure why, but there we go. So 1, 5, 4, 7. 7. Yeah. Is it? I'm wondering. No, I guess it's not. Um, all right, so yeah, so I think, I mean, there must be some logical order. I'm not really
Yeah.
seeing it though in this one. I saw it in other ones, but um, so 1, 5, 4, 7. Is it? No. Yeah, I mean, I guess again is 6, but no. All right, so yeah, so I think can we zoom out and see? No, it doesn't have the answers for that one. But yeah, so I think it's pretty cool. It's 3 different games. Especially so the first one to remember was this one where you gotta guess the order and then or remember the order. And then this one you have to guess a number and then it will tell you which digits are correct and if they're in the right place, kind of like Wordle. And then based on that, you can fix your answer. And then there's the pattern master, the one we just played. So yeah, so I think it's pretty cool. Here, let's see if I can get this one correct. This one looks a little easier. 8, 1, 6, 1, 7. No. Oh wait, no, because it's skipping by 2. All right, I'll get it. 4. I was not. No, 4 isn't correct either. I thought that was.
Huh. 2?
Huh, weird, but yeah, I guess I don't know. I think yeah, I guess I really thought 4 you were right on that one, but I guess not. All right, but yeah, I really like the concept. I like that they have um 3 different games in one. That's pretty cool. Right. So let's see. The next one we played that one. Are we up to the the other categories? The where
Was
we
that
have
7?
I think that I might have missed one. Let me check the that we got. Yeah, I think we did them all.
Really awesome work on these. Cool stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
Remember, really try to consider the theme, because while some of these were really
I
cool,
think there is one still that we didn't do. I just found it.
yeah, I think we might be missing one.
Yeah.
So remember, for these ones, try to really think about how you can fit the theme in it, because there was some cool stuff, but it not necessarily as fitting as like Mind Master.
Yeah. So here we go. So we got it's no description, settings if we want music. I can't. It's better, but there's a taste of it. And then yeah, so begin. This is cool.
Whoa.
So we got a deck of cards. I like that shuffling animation or putting them all
Yeah, that
out.
was cool.
And I'm gonna guess. Oh, are these all mentors? All right, I like that. So I think it's a matching game like we had before. So Dev was now I lost Dev, but it was no
I
Dev.
think the left one, yeah.
All right, so there you go. This one's correct. Oh wait. Oh, I can't put one away, but so Bo's there. Bo was the first one, right? Yeah. And then There's
Like, is this
Mike.
second?
Sabrina
Sabrina's
was
the
there.
top.
Jing? No. Jing? Yeah. And then Mentor Trevor. All right. Pretty cool. Congrats. You have. Oh, I didn't get to read it. I think it was just saying I won. But all right. Let's try again. Okay. So there's.
Well, it's also really cool. If you take a look at the background, it's still like animated. While
It's
this is
animated
crazy.
background. You can see yeah, they added a cool little like they also it looks blurred in some areas, which yeah, like that one looks blurred, which I don't know how you do in Hatch. That's pretty cool. Yeah. All right, so that's Dev, Bo, Sabrina, and all right. So there we go. So I just wanted to see the win screen again because I think I missed it earlier. So then, oh no. Okay. I don't know how to get back to it, but there you go. So yeah, pretty cool. It's called Mind Match. I don't know if I said that earlier. And yeah, pretty cool. I really like it. I love, like you said, the animation in the background, and then also the animation when they shuffle them up.
Yeah,
And then
this is really cool.
yeah,
Great job on this.
yeah. Let's look at the
And I
credits.
like that you used all the mentors. That was a really nice touch.
Yeah. All right, so there you go. Oh, let me send this one in the chat too. All right. All right, so for the next one, now I think we're done, yeah, with this category. Let me just close out those tabs to double check. And then, yep, that was all three,
Yep.
all seven. So there we go. All right, perfect. Oh,
So
wait,
then
no,
also there's at the end.
bit here. I'm trying to see. Actually, looks
Yeah,
like
I think
only
we got
six.
everything.
Did we have seven? One, two.
Are there just five before? I thought there were seven.
Oh yeah, it looks like there were seven. Hold on, are we missing one still? Yeah, I think we are. All right, this is the final one. This is in Python Mini. Okay, it's called What Number by Hacked, and I like what they did to their username with the other special characters, adding stuff below it and above it. So pretty cool. All right, so there's a start button, starting block game. All right, try to guess 1 to 150. No, I think you just
This is just one guess.
yeah. Oh, 10. Okay, there we go. That's what I thought would happen. Okay, so 10 is too low. So let's go 40. 40 is too high. 25. 25 is too high. 20.
20.
20 is too high. Well, we're running out of guesses here.
15.
15 is too low. 17 is
17.
too
Yeah.
high. 16.
So it's 16.
And I got it. All right. Oh, I like that. I didn't know they could.
Oh,
I didn't know you could do that in Python Mini. Redirect to another thing in the browser. But that's
cool.
really cool. I like that they redirect you at the end to their thing. I don't know. Did I just click it? What happened? I didn't think that was possible in Python Mini, but I don't also think I clicked anything. So let's
yeah, I
try
didn't
that
see it
again.
either.
So
50's too low.
yeah. So 52 low, right? So 75
Yeah, 5
too high.
too high.
Okay.
55.
Oh no, I did. Yeah, 55 too high. So
53.
53. I got it. Oh yeah, so that is it. Cause I know I didn't click anything that time. So yeah, it redirects you to their project or their profile, which is really cool. All right. So I really like that touch at the end. I think there might be a course on, I don't know in CodeLI, but I think maybe in other communities on not how to make this in processing, but just like the text-based version. If you guys want to check it out. I'm not too sure of that, but I like how they added in the processing and that at the end to redirect you to their profile. Pretty cool. And
Yeah,
definitely, I
really,
think
really neat.
with the Mind Master theme of because you gotta guess the number and I like this game in general of like having to go higher or lower. Pretty cool. Let me send this one in chat too. All right.
Ooh, very good variety of
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah, we got a bunch of submissions and all of them are pretty cool. I think all of them took on a different made a different game or a different idea of the theme. So, pretty cool. All right. So we're gonna save the winner right to the end. So,
Yep.
let's go
Stay
to.
tuned for that.
Do you want to go to the website?
Yeah, we'll do websites next, and then we'll take a look at the art last.
All right. So, this is. I just want to make sure. I think we only had two websites. Yeah.
Two websites, yeah.
All right. So this first one is by Ethan. I believe he's a student mentor. If it's the same Ethan. And then so it's a quiz game. All about KidOYO. So the first one is how many challenges are in CodeLI as of September 28th, 2024? I'm not sure. Maybe I'll
I don't know the answer to this either.
yeah, I was gonna cheat, but I'm not sure if it. I went to cheat, but the number doesn't line up, so I'm not sure. I think
Let's say
it would have
157.
157. All right, and then what is the closest estimate how many communities are on KidOYO? Oh, that's a. I wonder. How, I wouldn't even know how to
Oh,
get
you
that
guys. Yes,
number.
I know this because I work for
Yes,
here.
I would assume. Um, Yeah, I don't know. I'll say 500. What year was KidOYO founded? 2006. Who made this website? Ethan. Wish it was Bill Gates. That would be cool. What communities is the KidOYO web jam located on? CodeLI. And let's see, grade. I got 4 out of 5. Yeah, I assume this is the one that's wrong. Let me try. Is it lower? Oh, no. Okay, so that wasn't the one that was wrong. What else did I get wrong? Oh, it was probably the challenges. Yeah. What's the 144? Okay, yeah. So that was it. So how many challenges are? There's apparently 144 as of September 28th. Not sure about now. Let's see, can I get the real number? Oh, it's 148 now. I just checked on the public numbers.
Once I added the other 4 game jams
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
the next one.
Yeah, right. Because we'll announce at the end the next theme. All right, so pretty cool. You can also copy the link with that button if you want to share it, which I do. So I'll send that in the chat. Check the notes in my submission for more info about the website. Also, links in footer. All right, Ethan was in the chat. He said there's more info in the submission notes.
Let me send you. Double check what the notes were.
Oh, and he also in the footer he also links to other featured quizzes that he made. So there's also a JavaScript one. Let's see if I can get this one right.
I'll send you what the description was on
Okay.
Discord.
The result of this, I think it's true. I don't know in JavaScript because I don't that one work in Python, but I know in JavaScript it's different. So I would say true. Composite complex data type. Oh no. Now they're getting a little. I'll say object, but I wouldn't know. Incorrect way to modify an array stored in a constant variable. Incorrect way. Dot pop sound. That's a Python thing, so I don't think that would. Maybe it is in JavaScript. Who knows? Not sure. Unequal loose comparison. Well, that's not an unequal comparison. That's an equal comparison. Say loose. That would be 1 equals what I would guess. It might be 2. I'm not sure. What keyword can you use to define a variable? Not integer.
What?
Yeah, that. All right, so great. 4 out of 5, not bad. I don't know what was the wrong one though, so I'm not gonna try this again. Um, All right. But yeah, definitely check out these quizzes. If you don't want the answers spoiled, then close your eyes. I won't do the Python one. I'll leave that one to you guys. But yeah, I think that's I really like this. Love the quizzes. And pretty cool website. I like the theming too, and I really like the KidOYO one. So,
Voice. I like that.
yeah.
Yeah, nicely done. This is cool.
Yeah.
And this actually also fits the theme,
Yeah, it
which is cool
does
too.
quizzes for Mind Master, so that's cool. All right, and then the next one is this is actually running in the background, so let me refresh. But this is Epic Canvas by Irrational Number. So let's see. So I think this is really cool. So I'm trying to see what if okay. So then I can adjust the radius using this slider. It says if you cannot see anything due to dark colors, try adjusting the radius. And then, okay, so it kind of explains it here. So apparently what it's doing is it randomly selects two coordinates, inputs them into an equation to generate a color, and then randomly selects a number and uses that number to select a point on the fern to plot. Okay, so I'm not too.
This is pretty neat.
There we go. All right, so wave. Try another one. Columns. Whoa, that's really cool. I like this. Thing 1. Okay, thing 2. Yeah, this is cool because it's like you can see. I like just how it works when it because it generates
This
a
is actually
3D
really neat.
image behind it, which is cool. And then as you let it generate more, it becomes more and more clear. But yeah, cool. Let's see what happens if I increase the radius, decrease it. All right. So yeah, so I guess that's the generating radius. So let me regenerate it and see what happens then. Yeah. Cool. Let me check weird smile, increase the radius, and then checkerboard. Nice. All right. Yeah. And then you can also clear the canvas to redo it. And then you can also download the canvas image if you want. So here we go. This is Oh no, 3D Paint needs an update. I can't show you guys, but yeah, so cool. And then varying radius will clear canvas. Oh, okay. So that's cool. So then it's a random radius, and then that creates another cool pattern. So pretty cool. I really like that.
Yeah. I really like this too, actually.
Yeah,
I'd love to hear about how you made this. This is really neat.
yeah, and I like that they use the canvas feature in HTML, because that's definitely interesting, and there's a lot of cool stuff you can do, obviously, with it. That a lot of stuff you can explore. So pretty cool. I think that's our very good job, and I think that's our 2 websites. So
Yep.
I guess we'll move on to the sprite editor art. So here we go. This is the first one. This is by HS. And the description says, I don't know, man. I got bored during math class and used my stylus and whatnot, so it looked like I was using Cami. All right. Pretty cool. Little night cycle.
They also sent a part 2.
Oh, all right. Let's look at the part 2. Yeah, I think that's the second one, and it's
Just a face.
a cool little face. All right. Yeah, pretty cool. I think yeah, I think it's funny that they said they specifically used their stylus so that it looked like they were using Cami in class instead on KidOYO. But I think it's cool.
Yes, I used to be a math teacher. Come on, pay attention during math.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I was like, I don't know if that's the recommended use of KidOYO, but definitely cool art. All right, so this one is called Bouncy 2. I think it's by Iced Coder, I believe. And yes, so they have like a ball bouncing around, and then I like how they have the arrow, and then it says like when it locks onto its position.
Yeah, it's almost like a game, but like that's actually really cool.
Yeah.
This is a very smooth animation.
Yeah. Yeah, and then they also add some like cool particle effects.
The little effects, yeah.
awesome. And
Great
then,
job.
yeah, great job. And then this is the next one. This is by Only Nerd. And it's a cherry blossom, and I think that's really cool. And they also added some cool clouds, and I like that they
Those clouds are
kind
really
of,
nice.
yeah, and then they did some cool effect by, I guess, varying just the
Like the
colors, like the
opacity and
opacity,
whatnot.
yeah,
Yeah.
and to make that cool cloud effect. Pretty cool.
Great
And
job on this. That's actually really nice.
yeah. And then this is the final one by Winter Coder. Coder also submitted a game. And yeah, this one's called Hunter x Hunter fan art. So there
That's
you
my
go.
favorite anime as well. I love Hunter x Hunter. New chapters have been coming out. If anyone reads it.
But yeah, I haven't. I don't know if I've watched any anime or never been too into it. But yeah, that's cool. All right, so I think we're. I just wanted to double check the list. I think we're good. And there we go. All right. So how do you want to do the judging?
Um, let's quickly type to each other what we think for each, and then we'll be able to announce it. So if you want to have that, make sure that that's off screen.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it is. And I just so we can remember, I'm just looking over all the games so that I know, and yeah, just to refresh everyone's memory. And then, all right, yeah. So yeah, I think we're good. I think we agreed. Do you want to announce them for each category?
I just need the names back in front of me. Just give me one sec. So, our first winner for the. We'll go with the website first. Our winner is submission by Irrationally, and that's with that cool visual one. And in their submission, they also said, "Hi Andrew, how's high school going?"
Very good.
Congratulations to you, Irrationally, and also very clever username. I like that.
Yeah. Yeah,
Great
yeah.
job.
I really like their design with the canvas again.
I'd love to hear more about how you made this. This is really neat.
Yeah, definitely. We should. That would be a cool idea. I think to hear from some of the winners, like on how they made their stuff.
Do a little write up or whatnot of your submission. Let us know. Then we have our sprite art winner. This is the Iced Coder with their Bouncy 2 animation. That was really cool. It was really neat seeing, it's very smooth animation. Like the physics of like the ball or whatever the blob would be, moving around while it's flying in the air. I thought that was really neat. And, really cool particle effects. Just really great job.
how it's almost like the ball or the blob is like trying to decide where to go because you see the arrow moving and then it says like locked, and then it moves. So I think it's cool. It's almost like, you see the art or the ball trying to decide where to go. It's cool.
Nicely done for that. And last but not least, we have our solo developer category for the game jam. We did not have a single team submission, so that if you're looking to do a team one for the next one, since we had none for this, you have a good shot at winning.
Yeah, definitely.
So our last one was our winner. I have to double check which one this was. No. I think this was. Yeah. And so for the sole developer category winner of the Game Jam, it goes to Demon with their really cool hatch submission. Uh, it really fit the theme super well, right? And this animation is so nice.
Yeah.
Like, it's such a a small thing that you did with it, but it really adds a lot of polish to it. And great job. And it is really is silly and fun that you included the mentors in it. Not that that gets extra points or anything, but
Yeah.
it was neat. It was really neat, and it fit the theme perfectly.
Yeah, and I love just like, we talked about the background animation, but just the little details and stuff like adding in like a little sprite that follows your cursor, kind of like to select things,
Earlier,
adding
yeah,
things
that's really
moving.
cool.
Yeah, really cool. And also always adding in like extra stuff like music and like a settings menu, just those little details I like that really complete a game.
It's or see what that was for it. I think it was in the settings
Yeah, I clicked on
credits.
credits and then it said I have no friends, which
Relatable.
hilarious. Yeah. All right. So, yeah, I think that was all the categories, right? And again, awesome submissions across everything. And hopefully next time, I mean, we had a bunch of participation this time, which was awesome to see. I love when there's like, I think we had 7 even just for Hatch. And it's awesome because then you get to see what everybody's brains is thinking because everyone kind of takes a different perspective on it. And that's really cool to see. And hopefully next time we get some team submissions because that would be cool too.
Yeah, really great work by everyone. I'm really happy to see that we got a lot more participation, and especially this is just the first one too. So there's only room to go up. So we'll get hopefully more submissions, and you guys can really like bounce each other's ideas off of each other. You can post about your what you have in the wall and whatnot if you want feedback from people. In the meantime, like that's totally okay. And yeah, no, this is so great. I'm really happy with all this.
So I think we're good to announce the next theme if you want to go ahead.
So the next theme, I did already post it just so you guys would have the same amount of time.
Yeah.
And it is ancient technology. And the badge for that is a fun little one. We got like a floating pyramid and an Oyo bot out in the desert
Yeah.
wearing his little hat.
Cool. Let's see if I can blow this up. And yeah, there we go. All right, awesome. Yeah, so you can see it. I think it's cool. I really like the idea. Especially like I think we're kind of in, well, now we're into the school year. We can have some other themes like, with like ancient history, which is cool because kind of incorporating what you might be learning in school into coding, which is always really fun. I love when they would do that in the hackathons too. So awesome to see that in the game jams as well.
Yeah, so for this, feel free to use like maybe some historical stuff or maybe some like sci-fi,
Yeah.
right? There's all those shows out there like Ancient Aliens and whatnot. Who knows?
Put your own
Pull some
twist on history if you
inspiration.
want to
Yeah.
too. Yeah, like who knows? Maybe I mean people I think have theories on like, aliens built the pyramids, but yeah, I mean if you want to put your own twist on history in your game, that would be cool. And I can't wait to see how everyone interprets it.
Yeah. So hopefully we get all those submissions in, and we're looking forward to seeing next time.
Yeah, so thank you all for tuning in and submitting. And yeah, we'll see you next time. All right. Bye-bye.
Take care, everyone.